Hi guys, it's Matthew again, and this is our fifth strategy for today. Today is 1st of July 2025. Make sure you subscribe to all our channels to watch all the strategies we'll be dropping today, 1st of July 2025. And today we're going to be trading the Volatility 75 index, touch no touch, and we're on the D trader. So once you log into your trading account, you go to Volatility 75 index, and I changed it into dark mode. Go to the trade type here, touch no touch, set this to minutes, set this to 2 minutes. So we're going to be, then the barrier offset, we're going to set it to plus 235.6228. so we're going to be trading the no touch. We're going to be trading the no touch when there's 3 drops. That's this must drop 3 times. You're going to click on no touch. That's to drop 3 times. You can see it's pushing right up there. That's to go down 3 times. 2, 3. So you can see I click on no touch there. You can see the barrier right there to the entry spot. The time count. Don't forget it has to drop down 3 times. I have 47 seconds left right there. $16. So that's it, guys. You can see we made $2.19 there. We're gonna place another trade after about a minute. So let's go back here. There's a buy sell indicator right there. We have some trades going there. This is red and some are still red. Where we're online is still gonna rebound. We're still giving away this indicator for free. For those who want this indicator, you can use it to trade your Forex pairs, your volatility index and all that. And it works on MT5. It's already going down. It works on MT5 and works on Deriv, another Forex broker platform that support MT5. And we're still giving it away for free. So you can use it to place your trade. So once it shows the light blue, you buy. Once it shows this, you sell. It shows you when to buy and when to sell. So this is going to hit profit soon. Going to hit profits. You can actually set your TP and your XL. You can set your TP and your XL so that you can close the trade when you're offline. It's in profit already. I just want more profit, so I can close the trade right there. So this indicator is very powerful, very powerful, very powerful. So it's a must-have indicator. We're giving it away for free. So all you have to do is to, I'll show you what to do now. 5 point something right there. Just wanted to hit more profit, $6. Going on again, 3.46. Okay, so we're going to take 6 right there. So to get this indicator, and top scalper board and the pip stripper board. The top scalper board is 9.99 USD and the pip stripper board is 7.99 USD, and they both work on Deriv and they're automated. And they also giving you a free gift when you order any of our bots. We're giving you free gifts, we're giving you free bots, free ebooks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So to get all this indicator for free and the bots, to get the indicator for free, sign up for a free trading account here using the link we're going to paste into the video description on YouTube. Then subscribe to these 3 channels. This is the first one, and that's the second one, and this is the third one. Subscribe to all the channels. Then send an email to this email address with the subject free indicator with the last 3 digits of the new account that you just signed up for. Once you verify your sign up, we'll send the indicator to you for free. And for those who already have a trading account, you can use this link to order the indicator for $12. This link to order the indicator for $12. And the primary pip stripper board is a link to order it. And the top scalper board is a link to order it. For those who don't have a trading account, this is a link to sign up for a free trading account to test all our strategies on demo. There's a link to subscribe to our channel. That's the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. There are other infos as well that might be useful to you. Check the video description on YouTube. So let's place one more trade. Remember 3 drops, then you click on no touch. That's a drop 3 times. It's pushing right up. It's going up. There's 1 drop and back up. 1 drop, back up. Okay. You have to be patient. That's 1 drop. Okay, so that's going to be our last trade. As the time count right there. $57, $56. Okay, that's it, guys. You can see we won the trade again. So don't forget to share the videos, like, comments. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching.